For you on the Nest Thermostat, let's say you wanted to use your fan and unfortunately the common wire has been used for something else, so you can't use your fan. I showed you another way by turning off the breaker, turning the air conditioner on. That could turn on the breaker. Today I'm going to show you a different way. If you had your heater, I've got hydronic valves, and as long as the hydronic valves are turned off, these are manually turned off, then we can turn the heater on. It's just turned on, and these are turned off, these hydronic heater valves, so these let the heat run through. This won't work for other situations if you have a gas heater or whatnot, or if you have a heater that's using a zone valve to control it and the heater valves are open. So this won't work for many situations, but it will for mine. So I can just turn the heater on and then turn the fan, or turn the heater to on, and now only the fan will be running because the fan will be going across those coils, but it won't be heating. So now we're cycling the fan. So just thought I'd show you, for this is probably more for apartment guys where you have hydronic heaters. They don't use a check valve or a zone valve in order to run the heat, so this will work great for my situation. Now the fan is on, even though the thermostat thinks the heater is on. Haha, Nest, not quite as smart, as a little too smart for its own good sometimes, but anyway, that's one way you could do it. You can adjust your fan. So if I had like the carpet cleaned and I wanted to dry the carpet out faster, and I didn't want to turn the heater on because heat actually adds some moisture, especially hydronic heaters. They give off a bit of, it's a kind of a moist heat. So this way we can run the fan. And sometimes with if you're trying to dry the carpet faster, running the air conditioner helps, because the air conditioner actually removes moisture from the air. Anyway, that's how you could run the fan in this, for the Nest thermostat with this particular setup.